Hello there, friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you this quick and easy healthy spinach stew recipe. It is so delicious. Let's get right into it. I'll use my food processor to chop up some habanero pepper, garlic, and ginger. You can blend it as well. I'll add in some dry rosemary and aniseed, and then I'll mince it. To my pan, I'll add in oil. I'll allow the oil to heat up and then I'll add in my onion. I'll fry the onion for about 2 minutes and then I'll add in my chopped or minced veggies and then give it a good stir. I'll fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll add in my canned tuna. You can use any fish or protein of choice, but this is how I always make it. And then I'll give it a good stir. I'll add in black pepper, nutmeg, and curry, and then I'll give it a good mix. I allow this to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll add in my fresh tomatoes and 1 heaping tablespoon of tomato paste. You can also use either one, and then I'll give it a good stir and allow this to fry for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring periodically. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly consider subscribing so that you can be part of this family. Thank you. I'll now add in my carrots and green beans. I'll add in some mushrooms and then I'll give it a good stir. You can use any vegetables of choice. As soon as my vegetables were mixed in, I have here about 4 beaten eggs which I've added to the stew. I'll give it a gentle stir and then I'll leave it alone for about 5 minutes to cook. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. I really appreciate you for sharing my videos, for liking and commenting. God bless you. At this point, I'll stir my stew and as you can see, the egg has cooked beautifully. I'll add in my bell peppers and my shrimp seasoning and then I'll give it a good stir. I allowed it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I added in my leaf spinach or fresh spinach. You can use frozen spinach for this recipe. And then I'll add in my salt to taste. Now allow the stew to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes and then it is done. This stew is super quick and easy to make. You can make this in under 30 minutes, trust me. It is that quick and delicious. Please comment down below and let me know what you will pair this stew with. It is so delicious and I paired mine with boiled yam. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and your community. I hope you give this recipe a try and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.